In the heart of 19th-century Paris, a revolution was brewing. Not on the streets, but within the realm of art, where a group of ambitious painters sought to challenge the status quo. The French art world was dominated by the academic establishment, a rigid institution that dictated the rules of art. These rules were based on classical ideals and realism, but a new generation of artists yearned for something more, something that captured the true spirit of modern life. Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, and Camille Pissarro were among the pioneers of this revolutionary movement. They were the founders of Impressionism, a style that rejected the traditional approach to art, seeking instead to capture the fleeting, changing moments of life. The crisis came when these artists presented their works at the Salon de Refusés, an exhibition for works rejected by the official Salon. Their paintings, such as Monet's Impression, Sunrise and Degas' The Dancer, were met with ridicule and rejection. The art establishment, led by critics like Louis Leroy, ridiculed the new movement, dubbing it Impressionism as a mockery of its lack of finish and detail. But the artists did not back down. Instead, they rallied together, forming a group that would become known as the Impressionists. The action came in the form of the first Impressionist exhibition in 1874. Held at the Notre Gallery, the exhibition was a resounding success. Art lovers and critics flocked to see the works of the Impressionists, drawn by their fresh, innovative approach to art. The consequences of the Impressionist movement were profound. It marked a turning point in art history, paving the way for modern art movements like Post-Impressionism, Fauvism, and Cubism. It also marked a shift in the way artists viewed their role in society, with the Impressionists embracing their role as artists who sought to capture the spirit of their time, rather than to replicate the past. The Impressionist movement was not just a revolution in art, but a revolution in the way we see the world. It showed us that art doesn't have to be about perfection, but about capturing the fleeting, beautiful moments of life. And for that, it will always be remembered as one of the most significant movements in the history of art.